Welcome friends! We'd like to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We are Colin and Melissa McDonald, and many of you know us for our careers in research and health, helping people thrive. But you may not know that we have also been actively investing in real estate since 2015. We especially enjoy coaching people who are in foreclosure and need help from their financial crisis, and really just need to hit the reset button on life. We also help those who have lost a loved one and are navigating probate. These families often need to sell unwanted property and frequently require assistance transitioning a surviving parent into senior living care. As the baby boomers enter their golden years, there is an ever-growing opportunity to serve their needs. So why does this matter to you? Well, you see, we purchase houses using private money from individuals like you and us who loan their money from their investment capital or retirement accounts. You can now earn high rates of return safely and securely in a way that most people don't even know exists. You can use any investment capital that you may have in a retirement account, a CD, a money market account, in the stock market, mutual funds, portfolio loans, or even a home equity line of credit. Our program allows you to create wealth by making a passive investment secured by real estate for a certain and reliable return. You can earn anywhere from 2 to 20 times more than traditional sources by becoming one of our private money lenders. We always secure your investment with a deed of trust and make scheduled, interest-only payments so that your principal remains the same for the duration of our agreement. We can customize the loan to fit your investment needs, but the typical length lasts 2 to 5 years. But in any case of emergency, don't worry, you can always get your money back. Your money is not pooled with other investors, so you own the entire loan and we make the rules, not some money manager looking for a commission. Now, you may be asking, why in the world would Colin and Melissa want to use private money and pay such high interest rates for it? Great question, but the answer is simple really, time and convenience. You see, we can move more quickly and make wholesale cash offers without the middleman. Banks have mounds of paperwork, applications, loan officers, and underwriters. They are a pain to work with. Besides, the banks will only give you a few loans before limiting your line of credit. To us, the quick availability of funds is more important than paying a lower interest rate to the bank. Oh, and by the way, take a look at one of your credit card statements. Congratulations, you too are someone who is willing to pay a high interest rate for short-term money that is readily available. You see, with private money, we negotiate more profitable offers, can close quickly, and can fund an unlimited number of deals. This allows us to keep your investment capital earning a high interest rate, which doesn't change no matter if the market is up, down, or sideways, and your principal always remains the same. This is a very lucrative investment vehicle where you supply our company with short-term capital secured well by real estate for high, dependable, and safe returns. And that's the key, friends, your safety. In fact, your safety is our number one priority. You know that traditional banks hedge their protection by loaning out only 80%, requiring the buyer to make up the 20% down payment. But you see, we protect our lenders even more. Our company only allows you to invest up to 75%, not 80%, of the home's after repaired value. So, if we lose our minds or get abducted by aliens and disappear, you, as our private lender, are left with a huge amount of equity as a safety cushion. So the worst that could happen is you end up owning a house at a very deep discount. A realtor could easily sell the property and get all your money back with interest. Not too bad, but equity is not your only safety net. We said before that the deed of trust will secure each investment you make with our company. A real estate attorney will record this at the courthouse, which is then public record. You will also receive a signed legal promissory note listing the exact terms of our agreement. The attorney will be responsible for all the documentation that keeps your investment safe and secure. This includes title insurance that we purchase at every closing to ensure a clear and clean deed, and it will be issued naming you, the lender, as the insured. This protects you against title defects that could affect your collateral. So, you have lots of equity in a property and you're legally protected, but what if the house is vandalized or somehow destroyed? Not to worry, friends, because you will be well insured. This is because we also purchase property insurance as part of the closing costs that protect you from fire loss or any other act of God that may take out the home. The insurance company will name you, the lender, right on the policy. So if the house burns down, the insurance company pays you directly for the full amount of the loan. They don't pay us, they pay you. We cannot think of any other investment that offers this much protection, safety, stability, and high rate of return that private lending offers. We don't know about you, but right about now we would be thinking, these people want me to send them a boatload of money to supposedly invest in real estate? But what if this is a scam and they run off with my money before any of these protections they talk about are in place? We don't blame you for being a little skeptical, so let us put your mind at ease. You won't be sending any money directly to us or our company. In fact, you should never send money directly to any real estate investor, even if they are your friends or family. Instead, for your protection, you will send your funds directly to the escrow account of the closing attorney or title company. And just so you know, we pay all of the closing costs. There are no hidden costs or fees when you lend your private money to us. You don't pay a penny. Now we know that you want to invest your money safely and securely for a high rate of return, but maybe all of your money is in a retirement account like a 401k or IRA. Can we use that? Absolutely, yes, you can. And what better way to grow your wealth than tax deferred, or in the case of a Roth IRA, tax free? If it is your IRA or 401k, now listen to this. It must be self-directed. Well, what do we mean by self-directed? It simply means that we must move your account to another third-party administrator. Then you can begin making private loans that earn interest tax-free. This is easy to accomplish and does not trigger any tax payment or penalty because it's not considered a rollover by the IRS. If you think this is right for you, just let us know and we'll get you in touch with our self-directed IRA specialists based out of Texas. Now, since we're dealing with real estate, a minimum investment is required to participate. We use larger amounts of money to purchase properties and smaller amounts for rehab. Just let us know your investment capital range and we will put it to work for you. And no, we won't hold your money hostage either. Simply give us a verbal pledge of the amount you want to invest to get started. Of course, the more you invest now, the faster your wealth will grow. Friends, we would like to thank you for taking the time to watch this video presentation on becoming our next private lender. This strategy may or may not interest you, and that's okay, but we are sure you may have some questions to ask. So feel free to call or text us at 423-521-5511 and we can speak directly. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Until then, friends, here's to growing wealth with purpose and creating real-life wins for everyone involved. Bye for now.